As someone with sensitive skin, I'm always on the lookout for products that will provide gentle, effective care without irritating my skin. The Goodal Heartleaf Hyaluron Soothing Ampoule has been a game changer for me, offering instant cooling, calming, and hydrating effects that have transformed my skin. The Goodal Heartleaf Hyaluron Soothing Ampoule boasts an impressive array of key ingredients, including 11 types of complex hyaluronic acid, providing long-lasting hydration and helping to lock in moisture, 100% pure D-Panthenol, soothing and calming the skin, reducing redness and inflammation, 5 types of ceramide, strengthening the moisture barrier, preventing water loss, and protecting the skin from environmental stressors. Upon application, the ampoule instantly calms and hydrates my skin, leaving it feeling plump and refreshed. The texture is lightweight and watery, absorbing quickly into the skin without any heaviness or residue. I've been using the ampoule consistently for 2 weeks, and the results have been remarkable. After 2 weeks of use, I've noticed a significant improvement in my skin's redness, a whopping 77.4% reduction. My skin feels soothed, balanced, and deeply hydrated, with a noticeable decrease in dryness and roughness. The ampoule has become a staple in my routine, providing long-lasting hydration and comfort to my sensitive skin. The Goodal Heartleaf Hyaluron Soothing Ampoule is a must-have for anyone with sensitive skin. Its gentle, hypoallergenic formula provides instant cooling, calming, and hydrating effects, making it perfect for soothing redness and irritation. With its impressive array of key ingredients and remarkable results, this ampoule has earned a permanent spot in my skincare routine. If you have sensitive skin, are prone to redness and irritation, or are looking for a gentle, effective hydrating product, the Goodal Heartleaf Hyaluron Soothing Ampoule is an excellent choice.